finding kitchen remodeling ideas online. As much as your intention of remodeling your kitchen is sufficiently strong, it could be a rather difficult task to determine the ideas to remodel your kitchen into your desired design. While you may find it a dreadful task, you can actually view many kitchen replacement pictures over the internet. For instance, if you intend to replace your worn-out kitchen cabinets, then perhaps you will browse through the selection for new sets. In fact, choosing a new set before beginning your remodeling project is important to avoid creating a mess out of your renovation work. There are plenty of online websites available for you to survey about the latest and various kitchen remodeling ideas. There are home improvement online sites for your reference, where most of them can provide you with the kitchen remodeling pictures for better view. Perhaps the best thing about this is that the internet is free and you can get a whole wide perspective before deciding upon your favorite. This is indeed great, and you can prevent paying through your nose for a professional designer's advice. Besides, the viewing of pictures via the internet is convenient and easy to use. You need not to make any appointment, and the copious amount of information would be unbiased.